An Arizona woman who accused former Los Angeles Dodgers pitcher Trevor Bauer of sexual assault in December 2020 reportedly gave varying accounts about whether she had a miscarriage or an abortion when she was allegedly pregnant with his baby. The woman reported the alleged incident to Scottsdale Police in December 2022, and details about it surfaced earlier this week. Among the claims, the woman said Bauer raped her and got her pregnant. The woman initially told authorities she had a miscarriage, but later referred to the miscarriage as an abortion, ESPN reported, citing police documents. At the time during the interview, I questioned her whether she had a miscarriage or an abortion because they're two separate things. During the interview, she stated they're pretty much the same thing and said she no longer wanted to talk about it, a detective wrote in the report. A month later, the woman reportedly told the detective she didn't have an abortion, but miscarried before she went to a clinic in another state. She told police she did not visit medical persons for any treatment. Rather, she saw her OB-GYN in Scottsdale when she returned to AZ. The detective wrote that the medical records she provided do not indicate whether she was in fact pregnant, according to ESPN. Bauer's attorney, Ann Chapman, reached out to Scottsdale Police in January to file a complaint, alleging theft by extortion, and that the woman had demanded financial compensation from her client for a pregnancy and abortion that was alleged to be false. Police reportedly determined that Bauer's complaint didn't reach a criminal level. In March, police asked to interview him after he signed with the Yokohama Bay Stars. About 11 days after, ESPN reported Chapman declined because Bauer had moved to Japan. The case was deemed inactive due to no probable cause having been established. Mr. Bauer cooperated with the Scottsdale Police Department's investigation, Chapman told ESPN. He was out of state for a family medical emergency at the time of the interview request before traveling to Japan for the season. His attorneys offered to address further questions following his initial statement and exhibits, but that was not needed as the case became inactive. The woman's attorneys filed an amended complaint Tuesday, stating for the record for the first time that she had a miscarriage. That same day, the Bauer allegations came to light in a USA Today report. The pitcher filed a countersuit against the woman. He has not been charged with a crime. Trevor Bauer categorically denies this woman's unhinged allegations. She has made 4 documented multi-million-dollar extortion demands over the last 2 years, which prompted Mr. Bauer to file a criminal complaint against her. He is also actively suing her for fraud. Bauer's co-agents, John Federold and Rachel Luba, said in a statement Wednesday. Her claims are untethered to reality and change as often as she changes lawyers. First, she sought money to terminate an alleged pregnancy. Then she claimed, among other things, that she was distressed from having an abortion. And now her newest claim suggests for the first time that she had a miscarriage. This woman has published public YouTube videos, done sit-down interviews with multiple entities, and filed a public complaint against Mr. Bauer. Despite her numerous attempts to have her lies publicized, every entity that reviewed the facts and evidence, including multiple news organizations, recognized how ridiculous her claims are and declined to publish these obviously false and defamatory allegations. That is, until USA Today failed to consider any underlying information except the woman's allegations in a rush to publish her stale claims and provide a vehicle for her fraud. Worse yet, through their lack of diligence, USA Today failed to even note that this woman filed yet another version of her claim the same day it published its story. USA Today's reporting is as reckless as the fraudulent claims of this woman.